You have a boat for Miss Daniels?
Yes, ma'am. It's the one right below.
So this is the bay that Tippy Hedren would have rented a boat at and rowed across this thing. As you can see, it's really big. She's definitely optimistic if she thinks she'd make it across here. And what's cool is if you look to the right and then to the left, these are also the docks that were used for John Carpenter's The Fog. So a lot of the birds was definitely filmed on a soundstage on a set, but here is after the school's attacked by birds, the kids run down this hill, run all the way down towards the bay, towards the building, towards the store down there.
Daddy, there were hundreds of them. No, I'm not hysterical. I'm trying to tell you this as calmly as I know how. Daddy, is there a difference between crows and blackbirds?
There is very definitely a difference, miss.
Thank you. They're different, Daddy. Well, I think these were crows. Well, yes, hundreds of them.
We are in front of the Tides restaurant, which you would know from Hitchcock's The Birds. Obviously, as you see, it's been completely done over. The movie was, what, 40, 50 years ago? We're still going to take a look inside anyway. Take a look. It's going to be completely unrecognizable, but still a pretty cool looking place. A short 10-minute drive from Bodega Bay is where you'd actually find the schoolhouse from the birds. It's not right in town like it seemed, and it's been since renovated and restored. Right over there through the trees is right around where you would have saw where that jungle gym was. The house, car to my left. Just a little bit better look where the jungle gym would have been. Right around where the no trespassing sign is. Right in that general area. Full of birds. That's home of a lot of trees. Just another look to the right, you'll see no ocean, no anything. Kind of far away from the water here. About a 10-minute drive away, like I said.